Welcome to the Murphy Builder Space at Murphy Aircraft's Chilliwack facility, purpose-built for kitplane builders like you.
Building a kit plane can be tough without the right space or support.
That's why we created the Murphy Builder Space, a workshop designed to make your build easier, faster, and more enjoyable.
With factory-grade tools, expert guidance, and plenty of room, you can move from first rivet to final assembly in record time. Our experienced team is right here to answer questions and keep your build on track. Whether you need space or want to accelerate your project, the Murphy Builder Space gives you the advantage.
From our smallest model, the Rebel, to our biggest, the Moose, Murphy kits are built for adventure, and it all starts here.
Ready to build faster, better, and with expert support? Get in touch to book your Murphy Builder Space.